Hi guys, this is Bell Channel 2018 and welcome back to my vlog. Roderick Paulate sentenced to up to 60 years in jail for graft. Natatandaan niyo pa ba guys si Roderick Paulate sa sikat na noon time show na palaging partner si Ami. So, may balita po sa kanya ngayon. Manila, Philippines comedian Roderick Paulate has been found guilty by the Sandigang Bayan on 1 count of graft and 9 counts of falsification of public documents in connection with the hiring of a GOS employees in 2010 during his first stint as a Quezon City councilor. It can be recalled that after his election win in 2010 as Quezon City District 2 councilor, Paulate was removed from office after his alleged hiring of GOS employees from July to November of the same year. The case against Paulate was officially filed by the Office of the Ombudsman in 2018, which said the actor politician falsified the job order contract of service, including the signatures of fictitious contractors to oblige the city government to allocate funds for their salaries. Paulate's total sentence amounted to between 10.5 years to 62 years of imprisonment. Broken down, the graft offense was 6 to 8 years, while its falsification offense, 8 for public documents, 1 by public officer, accounts for 6 months to 6 years. Aside from the prison time, Paulate was ordered to pay a 10,000 pesos fine for each count of the falsification offense, a total of 90,000 pesos, and is perpetually disqualified from the public office. Also convicted with Paulate was Hyde driver and liaison officer Vicente Bajamunde, who was acquitted of the falsification charges. Both Paulate and Bajamunde were ordered to compensate the government with 1,109,000,000 pesos with 6% interest per annum until full payment. The amount of public funds the two collected from the city treasurer office for the supposed salaries of the hired employees. That's it guys. Thanks for watching and God bless us all.